Order filled.
Remember the feeling of my fingertips on your skin, and the way that our kisses taste sweeter after drinking, and the way that I rage into your love while you breathe me in, just so you can fill me with you even when I'm not around. Don't forget my love. Don't forget my love. Don't forget my love. Don't forget my love.
Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, fucking buddy. What's going on, guys? I know I'm a little late. You guys can be angry. It's okay. But ladies and gentlemen, man, I hope you guys are all having a good day. What is going on? What is up, you beautiful, beautiful people, man? Turn Thursday's here, guys. Money market is here. We got a little bit to go over. I know it's already 10:33. You guys are like, YB, there's not much more to go over. We're going to have a little 30-minute stream here or whatnot. Get it going. So, ladies and gentlemen, give me 1 second. Let's kick this party off, baby. So, yeah, buddy, baby. So, traders, man. We're going to bring over our economic calendar of the day, crank our music down just a little bit, and hopefully if you guys have already traded, man, you guys are up. You guys are in the green. You guys are making some money over here. You may, what is it? So, anyways, Thursday. We had a lot of data come out today. 8:30 a.m. initial jobless claims. 8:30 a.m. retail sales. 8:30 a.m. retail sales minus autos, so retail sales. 9:15 a.m. Fed manufacturing index. 9:15 a.m. industrial production. 9:15 capacity utilization. And then at 10 a.m. we had business inventories. And 10 a.m. we also had home builder confidence index. Okay, so a lot of news came out. A lot of stuff's going on. As you've seen from the market as of right now, bro, I'm literally, okay, guys, I'm not a genie. Okay. I'm not a fortune teller. All right. I'm nothing crazy like that. Okay, right? Sound good? But what I will say, ladies and gentlemen, is that I said this exact thing, and let's see where the trend line's at. S&P 500 at 586, right? S&P 500 at 586. I said if it holds above our line, if it comes and holds above our line, literally yesterday, literally made that lower shadow yesterday and started to take off. I'm so good. Fuck, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, guys, I said if it comes back above our line here, and I can literally pull the moment up from stream, we will probably have a U-shaped pattern and break above this high. Now, my thought process, we break above it. Okay, let's see if we can continue to get the rip and run. If not, we're coming right back into the channel, meaning that this is still holding up as our resistance area. You can literally mark this out as a little zone. Anything above this 585, the 585 level itself is going to be hard to beat. So 1 second. There we go. Okay. Up to that 586.30 level we'll go with. There we go. Good enough. 32 and like 04. Okay. But you guys can see that there. So traders, what does that mean for us? As traders that trade the NQ, if you guys don't, that's also okay. If you guys trade Nvidia, you guys trade Apple, Intel, Tesla, you know what I mean? Whatever it may be. You guys have to wait and watch to see what happens as we're still in the wedge, right? So the wedge is still here. We're still within this wedge here. And as long as we're within this wedge, you can't really do too much, right? So you just got to wait and watch on it. Was I able to capitalize on a trade? Yep, right there it was, ladies and gentlemen. Bada bing, bada banger, traders. So nice little dump down there, guys. And, yeah, now we just wait and watch on it, and we see where this thing can go. But just want to put it out there that was an amazing pattern that just formed. So now this trend line's even more valid. We can see one touch. Broke out a little bit through it, but then 2, 3, almost 4, almost 5, 6, 7, 8. Dude, literally 8 touches. So if this breaks to the downside at all, we could see a pretty massive dump if it actually starts to break. So just keep that in your mind. All right. S&P wise right now, another beautiful touch. That's where I was able to capitalize on this. So S&P came up into play at the time of 1026. That was this little dip right there on NQ. Here, I'll pull this up for you guys. You guys can't see it because of my big head. There you go. So you see that little dip coming in right there? Why was I able to get in on that? Because S&P was rejecting off of its VWAP and 200-day. Same thing over here. It was rejecting. So I thought, hey, and what do you think? Boom, little dump. Was able to capitalize on it. Wasn't going to hold it out. I was in 2 minis. So, yeah, that's a bigger position we'll go with. So you guys can mark the current pattern right now and what we got going on S&P. Right there's S&P. You guys see that right there? You guys got a little bit of looks to be a descending triangle wedge. Right? We'll mark out this side as well. So there you guys go. So a little bit of a descending triangle wedge starting to break the channel there. Starting to break our little bit of a channel. Just got to wait and see. We just banged out one trade, so basically it could be good on the day. Oh, man. Excuse me, guys. Oh, you guys could be good on the day, but just chilling out, waiting and watching. So, ladies and gentlemen, man, chilling out, waiting and watching right now, guys. I want to see what we can get. We don't got the music cranked. We got the energy sitting flat in the market. All right, we caught one. We're good to go. But we'll turn the vibes up a little bit. You guys remember this song? It's from SpongeBob, I'm pretty sure. They played it in there. Yup. Yeah, buddy. Eddie Monster. Yeah, buddy. What's up, Active? What's up, buddy? Hope you're having a good one. What is that? Eddie Monster. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, yup. Exactly. Exactly. There we go, Active. You already know. Active's getting active. I like it. I like it. Or are you saying I look like this kid? Or are you saying I look like Eddie Monster? Well, in that case, listen here, buddy. All right, listen here. All right. I can't tell if he's a vampire or not. I'm not going to lie. He looks like a little vampire. So maybe I'll take it still. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Oh, the Addams Family. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Sorry, man. The only person I know from the Addams Family is Wednesday. I don't know if you've seen that new show. They made like the show called Wednesday, where it's like all about her. I do remember the theme song though. Oh, I got you guys. It's actually in my Halloween playlist. I got you guys. There we go. Turn me up. Woo! Oh, man. It's the good stuff. It's the good stuff around here, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Yeah, buddy, man. Oh, man. No, hope you're having a good day. AK, take it easy, brother. That is funny, though, man. That is funny. I'm not no fucking Eddie Murphy, though. What the fuck? Oh, man, pal. We're chilling out, though, guys. Chilling out, waiting, watching. So, ladies and gentlemen, man, time's 10:42 now. 10:42 in the market. We're in a little bit of a channel pattern right now. This is where you can see, hey, what's gonna go down here? Are we gonna get our breakout, rip and run, or are we gonna get our dump, our sell-off, right? No in between, right? So, just wait and watching. You gotta wait for this channel pattern to break on all these charts. So I can mark this channel pattern here as well, even on ES. So traders, man, chilling out, waiting and watching on that one. Will your EMAs be used during a breakout? Yes. If we get a breakout up to the EMAs, that's the spot in which the market could shift, because we know that sometimes these EMAs, what'll happen, we know with trendline breaks, is that it'll break out of the trend line and then it'll just reject the other way. So it's called the AMD strategy almost. It's called accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So when I'm talking about accumulation, manipulation, and distribution here, we'll go over a little lesson of this real quick, guys. Let's go into the paint. What do you mean by that? What are you even saying, YB? So we'll load up a chart. So this is going to be the AMD. So AMND. All right, you have accumulation, which accumulation is this right here. When the market is just going like this. Give me 1 second. Let me change color here. There you go. So the market is just going like this, sideways pretty much, right? Sideways. Then you have the manipulation leg, where the market then starts to creep up, and then you have distribution. Distribution is then when the market does the complete opposite of what it just showed, and then the real move happens to the downside, right? So what are the three parts of this? This right here is your accumulation, aka you're accumulating, you're accumulating for a move. So you're A. This right here is your manipulation, aka the manipulation of the retail traders, because most long-term traders, dynamic traders, they don't trade like this. But anyways, the manipulation mostly on retail traders. That'll make the downside move then come, and then right there's the distribution, the actual move throughout the whole play. Okay, so that's called AMD, and that's what that is, and that's what we didn't see today. Technically, we just are still in that accumulation period. So unless you want to count that little touch out of it, but I don't really. What I mean by accumulation manipulation would be something like this kind of almost. So market shopping, oh, we're getting a strong dump, and then we're coming back. But we did not start to break out to the top side, meaning that it did not technically work out. If we would have started breaking out all the way to the top side, that would have been different. But there was no breakout in there, so hopefully that explains how we utilize AMD strategy and also how we utilize these EMAs. Oh, yeah, I guess I really didn't. That didn't explain the EMAs. EMAs, it's if you come up and you get that touch of them, you're probably going to get that rejection if they're all lined up. 9 times out of 10, you're going to get that rejection if they're lined up. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. So there we go, guys. So, what do we do now, ladies and gentlemen? It's been like 20 minutes. What do you do? All right, I had that one trade pop off. Beautiful trade. Nice trade. I could be done on the day, right? I technically wasn't live for you guys. So, for the challenge right now of grinding up a 50K account for you guys, I was live. I just didn't hit the start live button yet. I thought I did already, but it's okay. That's fine. For right now, what are we looking for? We need to have that patience level and wait for this to set up. We have to wait for this setup to come in, and then we can bang out off the setup. But until that comes up, we can't do anything. We wait, we watch, we sit back, we relax, get a cigar, get a cigarette, get a nice beer. I mean, I know it's a Thursday morning. If you do, I mean, do you, whatever you do, man. I don't know, Okay. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, chillax, because we need to see a little bit of a pump in this market before we're able to actually capture anything. All right, guys. So we are chilling out, waiting and watching, man. Chilling out, waiting and watching. All right. Check out a play. A lot of people are alerting over in Dex Lobby. NUZE. Wow, $1.53. Makes a man tempted to jump in. makes a man tempted to jump in on this one, not gonna lie. Now, YB, do you play penny stocks? No, I really don't. I haven't played penny stocks in like 3 years. Alright, maybe I should come out of retirement, guys. Just for the day. I don't know. NUZE is a tempting play, man. $1.53. Let's go check the float on that thing. Go check the float on that. Load up Yahoo Finance. YB, why don't you trade penny stocks anymore? I'm not going to lie, guys. I found way more success with futures than I did penny stocks. But then again, I did trade penny stocks when I just started, so I didn't know nothing. But it's a whole nother market. Don't let them, you know, tell you anything different. Go down to the stats. Go down to the float. 1.9 million. That's a low float. Okay, hold up. What's the news on NUZ? What's the news on it? 8:30 a.m. What is it? Let's see here. Press release: NUZ establishes offices in multiple regions around the world and expand its global business. Wow, that's a really good press release, actually, just from those words. Multiple regions around the world, explores, yup, global, yup, boom, bunch of stuff like that. Set up offices in several regions, expanding its global operation to take over the world day by day. The global, you know what I mean, guys? Like, it's the way they worded these press releases that makes these plays break out. You know, let's read that one more time. NUZ, what is it? Establishes offices in multiple regions around the world to expand its global business. They could have said, hey, they opened up more offices globally. You know, they opened up a few more offices in these countries. And it probably wouldn't have taken off as much. But when you put it that way, when you say it's expanded and is breaking, you know what I mean? It's like, it sounds like some groundbreaking thing when it's really not. You know what I mean? It's like, okay, so they're doing good. They opened up some more offices. That's awesome to see. So chilling out, waiting and watching, guys. Gonna see what this market can do. Down to that 37.50. Okay. So down to 375 on that one. Need to see that pump. These EMAs are set up. These EMAs are fire right now, ladies and gentlemen. I'll put that out there. I'll be the first to admit it. These EMAs look so good, but we gotta wait and watch to see if they can come back up and push the you know, really shove the knife into the birthday cake. You guys know what I'm saying? You guys are like, I have no idea what you're saying, buddy. Absolutely none. I don't even know what that means. But you'll see. All right. Come up to 5D 430. That's where you'll see, man. We'll be able to punch a trade in. Hopefully we get that another downside, another sell-off from that point. We did touch it once, 2 times today. We touched it at 950. Again here at 1023. I was able to capitalize off 1 out of 2 of those. I was not here at 950, so I wasn't able to capitalize off it, but now we just wait and watch. Also, that 50-day is starting to hold this thing down. Not exactly what we're looking for, but we make the best of what we got, right, traders? Right. Okay. So, guys, love it, man. Below 583 there, ladies and gentlemen, man. That could be another sell-off below 583. So, market, most of the moves seem to happen in the post hours and the pre-hours, right? So pre-market and post-market is when most of these moves happen. You know, we go from 581 up to 586, right? Which is crazy. And then, you know, market opens and then, oh, we dump down to 582 or 586. Okay, so a little $4 move, right? Same thing with yesterday's pre-market. Let's see. Let's go to a 30-minute chart. See if we got anything. So today's pre-market, okay, never mind. Yesterday's pre-market was pretty flat. Yup. Day before that was, well, never mind. Okay. The day before that, though, we did have that nice sell-off, beautiful sell-off come up into play. And now we're starting to get a little pump rip run off this. We'll see if we get a bounce off that trend line down near 581, 582 areas. And if we can start to keep going. So, what do you mean by bounce off that trend line, YB? Right here, 1 touch, 2 touch. Looking to see if we get back down in this area. If it's going to be 3 and start to take right back off. Breaking out of our triangle pattern as well. But just slowly grinded its way out. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, man, feel free to ask away. We are here for you. So traders, man. Traders, give me 1 second. I will BRB, ladies and gentlemen, man. But what are you looking for? A push up to 584.24 on S&P. A push up to 5,902, 903 area on ES. All the way up to 906 could happen. NQ, you're looking for a push up to 448. All the way in between 472. And then that rejection to start to come in. So if any of that starts to happen, man, you guys know what the EMA strategy at hand you guys can start to utilize on some of these trades. But give me 1 second as I will BRB, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, buddy. BRB, guys.
She got me in a hypnosis. She got me in a hypnosis.
Anywhere we go, we are number one. Kill all this home them one by one. Kill all this home them one by one. Listen me anthem, them just ready for wheel off. Remember. Throne again. Anywhere we go, we are number one. Kill all this home them one by one. Anywhere we go, we are number one. Kill all this home them one by one. Anywhere we go, we are number one. Kill all this home them one by one. Anywhere we go, we are number one. Kill all this home them one by one.
Looks like there's rain up ahead, like there's a crack in the heavens. Feels like my day could be turning, like I can tell that my luck's gonna change. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down, but that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Feels like the walls are closing in. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Looks like the tables have turned, like there's a change in the weather. Feels like my time is returning, like I'm about to get out of this cage. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down, but that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Feels like the walls are closing in. Looks like I'm on my knees again. 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 Looks like I'm Looks like I'm on my knees again. Feels like the walls are closing in. Looks like I'm on my knees again. 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 Looks like I'm on my knees.
Homie, pick it up if you fall. Homie, pick it up if you're set. Lady, pick it up, it's me calling. Let me show 'em all about the West. Homie, pick it up if you fall. Homie, pick it up if you're set. Lady, pick it up, it's me calling. Let me show 'em all about the West. Hey, little mama with that tight dress on, I got a small proposition for you. You look kinda sexy, got it going on. Here's what I want you to do.
Here's what I want you to do.
Come a little closer, let me see that thong. Let me slide this number to you. You can catch me in them streets with my blue khakis on, in my Chuck Taylor, smoking blunts with my crew. Hey. Must be the music got these gangsters gone.
Must be the
I'm
music.
trying to lay this funk down on you. Homie, keep it up if you fall. Homie, keep it up for your set. Lady, pick it up as we call. Let me show them all about the West. Hey.
We've lost dancing. This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing. All these things that we took for granted. We've lost dancing.
Gentlemen, man, we are back and at it. Rangito there for a second. All right, guys, so back and at it, guys. Still waiting to watch, and I like that we got that nice sell-off. I was wait for it. Let's sit here and wait for it. Get a little push-up here. Get it going, man. So, looking for a push-up up to 584 levels. Push-up up to, what was that, 46 to 60s? What we got. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, man, feel free to ask away.
This year we've had to lose our
Sorry about that. I forgot that music was super loud for you guys.
dancing.
There we go.
We've lost the hugs with friends and people that we loved. All these things that we took for granted. We've lost dancing. We've lost dancing. If I can live through, we've lost dancing. This next 6 months. We've lost dancing. Day by day. We've lost dancing. If I can live through this, we've lost dancing. What comes next will be marvelous.
So we're breaking above the trend line here on NQ. Not breaking out either direction here on S&P. I can almost make a little channel pattern here, man, on S&P. That's kind of crazy. And same thing with NQ. Little something, something like that. Little descending triangle pattern. There we go. Then we'll see what we got going on, ladies and gentlemen. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So I don't like happening to adjust my trend lines all the time and stuff like that, but I do it when it's needed. So guys, time's 11:11 right now, ladies and gentlemen. We'll wait to see if we get a little bit more of a push. See if we get this last trade in. Then call it, man, for a turn Thursday. So yeah, buddy traders. So wait and watch, and I want to see this thing start to pick up a little bit more. We can just get a little bit more of a push, man. What's volume looking like on the day? Let's zoom in on that. And then we'll also check out NUSE. See if it's doing anything. It's probably the penny stock play of the day. Look at that. Yup. Right around 30,000. 30,000 shares starting to come up into play. Nothing crazy. NUZ, nice. Had that nice push up to 167. Now falling off it down to 140. So maybe that was the peak there. Starting to come back down here. NVDA getting a little bit of a push here. Check out INTC. INTC getting above. Nice, nice. Not bad. So not bad, not bad. Hey, what's up, dog trader? Yeah, buddy. What's up, bro? You trade small caps at all? Nothing too crazy recently. No, I haven't traded small caps for a couple years now, but I am tempted with the way this market is starting to move and the way some of these plays are starting to shape out. I am tempted to get my foot back in the game for small caps. Maybe I do a little small cap challenge. trading small caps. Obviously, I'll trade futures every day too for you guys that trade futures, but also just small caps involved as well. I think that'd be awesome. Yeah, because dude, there's some small caps that you can catch. I mean, they're just easy. You know, if you're in this play, you know, yeah, there's been a couple decent plays the past couple days. Yeah, right? It's like, if you're able to catch this play towards the top side, dude, I mean, what is it? You're in any time above that, what is that, pre-market high right there? Of 60 cents. So $60 to make 167, you know, or let's say you buy 500 shares, you know, 60 times 5, what, 6 times 5, so you're in with 350 bucks to 167. You just multiplied that by tenfold. Let's see. 167 times 5. Because at $1.67, 835 off of 350. So you made 45, you know? And it's not bad. It's good stuff. Yeah, there's definitely been some good plays recently. There's definitely been some good plays you can catch some momentum on if you're able to capitalize off them. Yeah, you can make some good money. Yeah, man, what is it? DURG, not sure if you've seen that. I did see that. That was wild. Yeah. That play went parabolic. It did, bro. Hold up. Let's check out what is it? Drug, ladies and gentlemen. So take a look at this play, man. Up to $24 now, but if you go to the 4-hour, look at that, dude. From like $2 a share. Actually, I'll get you the exact price. That was insane. Like, and that's what I'm saying. You can be in for like, you know, 300 bucks and make upwards of like $4,000, right? Or if you're in with like 600, you made upwards of $8,000 off of 300 bucks or $600, right? It's like, that's just like the craziness of these plays. It's insane. So yeah, I'm thinking about running up a little small account challenge there with penny stocks. Because yeah, dude, there's definitely a whole list of things you can do with penny stocks. And then you're just looking for the heaters every single day to be able to capitalize off of. So yeah, buddy, man. No, I'm with you, man. I'm with you. So we got our push up coming here. There we go, up to 584. Looking for this thing to hold these highs. Continue it out. Seeing what we can do. Nice push came in. View up, touch, view up, touch. Got near our view up there. Looking to see what happens here on NQ. So remember, accumulation, manipulation, potential distribution to the downside after this. Wow, it's really starting to come in. Making sure this isn't just a dip buy area. I want to see the next candle come in, fall below that 50-day, which that's where I'll be looking to probably capitalize off some of that. So I'm going to take a stab at this one, as I think the Dumperuski may come in on this. And again, if we hold up here, I'll just exit shortly. So if we can break this 50-day down at 20, if not, I'll just exit. Because then that would be the bounce play. So see that little bit of green coming in? I want to see the red hold up here and hit that downside. Okay, is that it? Green coming in. So looking to see, man, right down to that 50-day. Seeing if we can get that crack of it. A little bit of a dip below it, but I need to see the crack of it come into play, traders. So nice little 80, 90, 100, 100, 100, 100. I want to see that nice little crack come into play. Especially that low there of 17. Want to see crack. S&P continuing to hammer to the downside there. Again, just waiting and watching, traders. Below the 50-day EMA there, guys. You can get a little cray-cray to the downside. If not, I will get out as a dip buy. See that 50-day has to crack, crack, crack. Love the fact we came down to it neck and neck, but want to see that crack happen here. Right down to it again. Traders starting to crack it. Traders starting to crack that. Starting to crack that point there, ladies and gentlemen, man. Want to see this thing continue to dump off here. Hold these lows. Continue to dump. We get the one sell-off, traders. It's going to happen. It is going to happen. Underneath that point is 17. So waiting and watching on it, traders. Do want to see some red coming on this candle. Red coming on S&P makes it look good. Makes it look good for that crack. But you got to see a sell-off happen here. Below 17, 16, 15. Below 17 there, traders. 15 coming in, 14 coming in. Want to see it. 18, 17. It's right there, traders. Has to hit that low. I think we can get one of those red candle dumpers. Just got to stay ready, though. If not, I'll just sell out. I'm fine with that, too. Finger on the trigger, but S&P holding those lows makes me feel good. Beautiful. Want to see a red candle coming on this one right here. If not, finger on the trigger. So looking for a sandwich pattern at this rate. Just going to exit for 110 on that one. Why? Dip buy starting to come in here, traders. Starting to pick the pace back up. So we're already up on the day. Not looking to give it up. So we have a very tight stop loss on that play. We had a very tight stop loss. Would I be interested with it underneath this 50-day again? Yeah, 100%. But it would have to really hammer the gun under that 50-day. Probably underneath 412 there. So I'll put a sell one at like 410. So traders, man, traders. Ugh. Time is now 10:23 a.m. Excuse me, 11:23 a.m. EST, guys. Not too much happened today. Hopped on stream a little bit later than normal here. I like to hop on stream around 9:15, but was not available at that time. So, ladies and gentlemen, chilling out, waiting and watching, guys. We're going to continue to wait and watch here for the market, see what it does. But, guys, I hope you guys have all had a great day. And, ladies and gentlemen, let's wrap it up with a good yeah, buddy. And I'll see you all tomorrow for that fun Friday, Freaky Friday action, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, buddy. Take it easy, traders. And peace.